As you leave the terminal, look for the exit to Beltway 8. If you accidentally exit onto I-69, there's a turnaround, but at that point, it usually makes more sense to just stay on that route. Otherwise, continue straight on Jetero Boulevard. It'll take you to John F. Kennedy Boulevard. After about a mile, stay in one of the two left lanes. Follow John F. Kennedy Boulevard south for about 1.7 miles. Stay in the right lane and look for the Hardy Toll Road sign. Use the right lane to enter the connecting ramp. Just to be clear, you don't need an easy tag to use the Hardy Toll Road, but you'll save money if you have one. Without it, you'll be billed by mail, which costs more. The first electronic tolling station is about 2 miles ahead. At the electronic tolling station, merge into the left lane and prepare to connect with the main lanes. Follow the sign for downtown. Congratulations! You've entered successfully. Downtown Houston is just a quick 15 miles away.